My sister left these in the car, so I want to try these. I've never tried freeze-dried candy before. It smells like Skittles. A little sour at first. It's like, I don't know, crunchy, crystally. It's pretty good. Sorry to my sister for stealing her snacks. She left it here, so. Purple is okay. Let's try the yellow one. Green one really tastes like Skittles. Pretty good. Thanks, Diane.